What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. I literally just finished filming the last video on the R1M over here. Pretty sure that was pretty loud, so okay, now we're good. I just finished filming the last video on the R1M over here, literally chasing rainbows and all of that stuff. It was a lot of fun, and if you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out. But I was too excited. I told you guys in that video that I received the carbon fiber for the V4, like most of the parts, or technically like 3-4 parts. I still have a lot coming, but these are like major parts that I paid a lot of money for. They're custom, and I'm super excited to unbox them and put them on the bike. So I literally couldn't wait. I was gonna pretty much go back, edit the video that I just filmed riding the R1M and post it, but I figured, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna work extra hard today. I'm gonna unbox this because I'm really excited to at least see them and put some of them on. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I know some of you guys wanted me to do like kind of like working, building the bikes and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm very excited to see the parts. Let me show you guys. We got these, let me get closer, stickers for the kind of like battery cover right here on the tank, carbon fiber, so it matches the red stripes right here. First part, boom. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Look at that. I cannot wait to put this part on. It's gonna look super sick. Oh. This is just insane. I mean, look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait to put this on. I'm already like freaking out about this. But this piece is the main piece, and I cannot wait to put this on so the bike is all matching from up top. For the last piece, the swing arm cover, as I was saying, look at this brushed finish matching the tank. This is gonna look absolutely insane. Yeah. And I love that you can see the V4 in carbon with that brushed finish matching the beautiful tank. But we forgot the bolt that goes right here. I left the bolt in there. That's probably why I forgot about it, because there's no bolts over here. So we just gotta kind of tighten that so that this is back in place. First piece complete. I love how it has that little fin too, which, you know, usually is not there. It's just kind of like that. So it gives it kind of like more of that aggressive look. All right, now, I don't know, should we do the little one and save the best for last? Or should we just do this? I mean, we're gonna have to take all of this off anyway, so I guess we're gonna do them together. Like it should, you know? There we go. You guys heard that click? I love how it goes like with the seat right here. Now, the finale, the best. Save the best for last. I don't know if my face is extremely close, but I'm so excited for this piece. I mean, look at that difference. Here we go. Whew. 2 tries on the last piece, but we finally got it done. This looks unreal, honestly. Last but not least, stickers, and we are done. I'm horrible at putting stickers on, so I might have to use my phone to figure out what way these are supposed to go in. Wow. My phone just went flying. I'll be right back. Guys, I am finally done putting all these parts on, and honestly, I cannot believe how good this bike looks. I kind of got emotional because it reminded me of the V4 that I crashed. I had that bike for only like 3 weeks and I was so obsessed and in love with it. It was full carbon fiber. It didn't get a chance to get like all the stuff I want on it, but now that this bike is becoming more and more like that one, but a better upgraded version, it just got me a little emotional, to be honest, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it looks like right now. There's a lot more parts coming on, but like now I feel like most of the stuff, you know, it looks good in my eye, and of course there's little stuff here and there, but like for the most part, it looks amazing. I'm honestly obsessed with it. I can't wait to show you guys. So without further ado, enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The bike looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think. As I said, there's a lot more parts coming for the bike and I'm so excited, but these parts I've been waiting for a while and I'm so excited that I got put them on and the bike looks the way it does. If you did enjoy this video, please like, share, support, subscribe, support the channel. You know, keep making cool videos for you guys and always leave me suggestions in the comment about what type of videos you guys would like to see. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, ride safe, and never give up.